Tennant's lightweight vacuum, the V-LWU-13, is redefining the traditional direct air vacuum cleaner. At only 8 pounds or 3.6 kilograms and less than 70 dBA noise levels, this CRI gold level vacuum packs a punch. So we invite you to take a few moments to watch and listen to the many items that make this vacuum so special. First, the lightweight upright features an effortless handle release. No more clunky foot latches to constantly break during operation. Just place the tip of your shoe on the vacuum head, gently pull the handle back, and you are ready to go. When you are finished, just move the handle to the vertical position and it locks back in place. The convenient cord holder is located at the back of the machine, allowing you to quickly wrap the cord for storage. The cord holder has a quick release so that you can drop the cord quickly when starting your cleaning process. The lightweight upright has a 13-inch, 33-centimeter path width, but weighs only 8 pounds or 3.6 kilograms, allowing you to pick up the machine easily when going up and down stairs, setting it on your cleaning cart, or transporting it to other locations as many route cleaning crews do today. The main handle is an ergonomic loop designed for optimal operator comfort, a rare feature in this category of vacuum. In the event that something is pulled into the vacuum that could damage the motor is designed to shut off. The thermal reset button is located at the lower back of the machine. To reset the thermal fuse, unplug the vacuum cleaner, correct the problem, reset the button, plug the vacuum back in and begin using. Upright vacuums often don't perform well on hard floors, but this vacuum addresses that issue and comes standard with a squeegee blade that contains the debris under the vacuum so it goes directly into the inlet port. Changing brushes and belts has never been easier. No tools are required. Just turn the vacuum over so you can access the brush cover located under the vacuum head. Push each tab so they clear the hooks and lift the cover away. Pull the brush and belt pulley directly out of the unit. To replace, be sure the belt is positioned over the raised area of the roller brush and insert the brush and belt back into the head. Spin a few times to be assured that the belt is aligned properly, then put the cover back into place by aligning the tabs and snapping into position. If your operators are confused with traditional manual pile height adjustment knobs, then they are not alone. The lightweight upright vacuum has an automatic pile height adjustment which properly positions the head based on the type of surface that the wheels are on, eliminating the guesswork or premature brush or motor wear that can come from improper height adjustment. The lightweight upright comes standard with HEPA filtration. The system consists of a paper HEPA bag and an external cloth bag. The bags are easily accessible for replacement. Simply unzip the cloth bag to access the HEPA bag. When the bag is full, remove by pressing the tab and pulling out of the unit. Pull cardboard tab to close the bag and contain the dust. To replace the bag, simply position cardboard into tabs and press into place until you hear a click. Tennant's lightweight upright vacuum is unique in that it addresses the noise concerns in this vacuum category. Unlike many competitors, it has a 2-position switch which allows you to clean noise-sensitive environments using the quiet mode, which operates below 70 dBA, which is lead qualifying. To operate in this quiet mode, press the switch to position 1. To operate at full power, use position 2. Finally, the lightweight upright delivers proven performance and durability. Major components have been proven in commercial applications for over 5 years. It is certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute's Seal of Approval Gold Performance Rating, the highest rating you can achieve. Try this newest addition to Tennant's essential products. Simple, reliable, and affordable, by a name you can trust.